You know, when it comes to Novavax, I think we should stop caring about the FDA. You know, I'm getting tired. So do you, I'm sure. We are tired of this. When is the FDA approval coming? Novavax vaccine is sold in a lot of countries in the world. Europe, Korea, India, and so on. The PE ratio, the price to earnings ratio, is 2.4. This is insane. This is a bargain. This is the bargain of the year. Novavax today is plus 9%. The share price is $56 today. It's minus 60% year to date. We all know that. We all know that every day when we look at our portfolios. But the thing is, we should stick to the fundamental. Novavax is getting a lot of money this year, and the PE ratio is 2.4. There is not a lot of company with this PER. Now, and I'm tired of this FDA thing, you know. It's like the FDA decides what the stock should be. I don't agree with that. I do believe Novavax is doing well. And now with COVID coming back like crazy everywhere in the world, I think Novavax should be back to $150 in no time. Now, the FDA said they want more data to guide US targeting of fall boosters. It's been 3 weeks since the FDA advisory committee recommended authorization, which is the last step before the FDA makes its decision. JP Morgan predicted the FDA's decision on Novavax vaccine will land in mid-July. That's 3 weeks ago. So that would be 3 weeks ago. And today is July 1st. So 2 more weeks, that would be 5 weeks. But when you see how much time, a few days before that committee and before the FDA final decision for Pfizer and Moderna, there's a lot of question here. Listen to what Dr. Peter Marks, the director of the FDA's Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research, said on Tuesday, 3 days ago. We have not given an emergency authorization yet, but I think it behooves us to understand when the Novavax vaccine might be available if the company is willing to discuss that. Were an emergency use authorization to be granted might be available if the company is willing to discuss that? What does that mean? Novavax is not willing to discuss about the availability of the vaccine? Is that what we have to understand here? When I read things like that, I said, where is Stanley Earth? He should make a statement saying, hey, look, guys, we discussed that with you. This is so weird what's going on between the FDA and Novavax. This is so, I mean, there's no other words. This is weird. We don't understand what the hell is going on behind the curtain, behind the scenes. So now here's what Dr. Glenn, Novavax president of R&D, said in response to Mark's question. Glenn added that the company plans to have doses for its primary series of shots prepared to distribute in July, and Novavax could update its vaccine by the final 3 months of the year to focus on BA.4, which was behind 15% of new cases in the US last week. So the vaccines could be ready for July, but there's no authorization yet. So what the hell is going on? Us investors, we should know what is going on behind the curtains. This is so weird. And it's been like that since the beginning of the year. Since January, you know, when they requested the FDA emergency authorization. At the time, the Novavax stock price was $157. Now it's $56. And that's a pretty good day for Novavax today. Plus 9%. Now, here's food for hope. Dr. James Hildreth, the president and CEO of Meharry Medical College, said about the Novavax vaccine. The most compelling thing I've seen today is the data from Novavax, showing that their protein vaccine can elicit neutralizing antibodies to the prototype strain, to BA1, BA2, and BA5. Their data seems more impressive to me than the data presented by either Pfizer or Moderna. That's a pretty good news. I just wonder whether or not it might be timely for the agency to quickly review the data and make a decision to approve the Novavax vaccine. Well, we wonder the same thing, doctor. Now, another quote from another doctor. Dr. Wayne Marasco, a professor of cancer immunology and virology at the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute, asked a similar question of regulators. He said, "We did hear from Novavax about the potential of their vaccine getting coverage, but they haven't been granted emergency use authorization." And he said, "Is this going to be in the formula for the fall as well? That this vaccine is going to be available? Or is that beyond what the committee should be discussing?" This is so weird. We wonder what the hell is going on. The vaccine is sold everywhere in the world and they're discussing the availability in the United States. Something's not right here. I'm not a huge fan of conspiracy theories here. Some people on the internet are saying that, oh, FDA people, have stocks in Pfizer's, or they're linked with big labs from the US. Show me the proof. But something's not right here. We have Novavax in Europe. There's Novavax in Korea, in Japan, in India, in a lot of countries. Hopefully, as JP Morgan said, the vaccine will be authorized between today and mid-July. Past mid-July, I won't believe anything anymore. All right, so thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you will subscribe to the channel. If you're on YouTube, I got a TikTok. If you're in TikTok, I got a YouTube. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.